I think all the witnesses that have appeared before the Commission as an abbreviation called the task team PKTT. I note in your statement, and you just corrected yourself once again, you add an N before the PKTT. And I think yesterday in engagement with the chair, you explained that it's a national political killings task team. Where does the N come from? Regardless of where it was established or by whose instruction, is there a document perhaps I can turn to where I will see it referred to as the NPKTT, or it's only in your lexicon?
There are documents, not a document.
Okay.
If you read page 61.
Yes.
Of the same report that we are in, that conclusion of the National Commission.
Yes.
Paragraph 182. It says, what is evident from the disbandment report, or it's me who is writing NPKTT, no,
yes.
Roman figure 5 up there in the conclusion, on the same page, 61. National Commissioner says the current capacity of the National Task Team.
Yes.
This is the document that you are talking about. There are other various documents. There is a memorandum which was written a month after I took leave, I suppose, in August, written by Provincial Commissioner Mkonas. And before that, there's another document which had been written by Lieutenant General Khumalo. Both of them referred to this team as National Task Team.
Yes.
So it's actually, in essence, a national political killings task team. But you know, people get shortcuts and PKTT, but it's interchangeably used. But it's not me who introduced the N.
Okay. I don't know if you heard the evidence of General Mkhwanazi and I think General Masemola, I speak under correction, whether he specifically dealt with this point. And beyond that, I think it was General Dimpane, but that was in a different context. It was at the ad hoc. But General Mkhwanazi made the point that the PKTT was one of 11 task teams that are funded from the national budget. And he indicated there are other task teams, but these 11 are national. And that's how I at least understood them to draw the distinction between the 11 and all other task teams in the country. So it is not the only national task team, it's one of 11. Is that your understanding as well?
Correct.
So the addition of the N to that acronym is just simply to indicate that it's one of the 11, not that it doesn't speak to who established it and therefore who can disestablish it. The reference to it being national, it's not in that context.
Not necessarily, but in a way it is so, because the budget, it indicates that the budget comes, it confirms, in other words, that the budget comes from there, and leadership of the National Political Killings Task Team, like in other national task teams, come from national.
The leadership comes from national office. I don't understand. Please assist.
Well, of the NPKTT, the head of NPKTT is based at National Headquarters of Police.
But that's a recent appointment, I think 2 years ago, and he had been the head of PKTT all along, actually since its inception in 2018.
Yes, it confirms that what I'm saying, that the head of NPKTT has always come from, has always been a national figure or person.
Is that factually correct, Minister?
Factually, factually correct. When it was established, it was the Deputy National Commissioner who was the head of NPKTT. And after that, it was Deputy National Commissioner Detectives. And after that, when Khumalo got appointed, he was appointed from National, and he's National.
We'll flag that. We'll come back to that point. From the documents I have considered, my understanding is that is not a correct factual position that you are advancing. We shall come back to it, and I'll seek to have you persuade me that that is the case, and I shall attempt to do the same in return.
I will do the
Persuade you.
same.
Thank you.
Thank you.